Aloha, Kilo Hotel 6 Mike Lima here, Michael on the island of Oahu in the Hawaiian Islands. Today I'm going to show you our portable solar panel setup to power an emergency email gateway, computers, as well as radios. The system consists of a large solar panel that can be folded out, and we chose to go with this type of a system that's folded and stored. This way it can go portable if the area that we're operating is threatened or destroyed, but we can have it after you've lost power. Kind of package everything neatly in a RIDGID toolbox here. So I have all the supplies that I'll need, computers, as well as a spare radio, Anderson power poles, everything's built in here. We've converted these Anderson power poles to match, I believe they're called 4CR, so they're going to get pushed into here. And okay, that's a lock. That's a lock. You're going to go click, click. The brains of it is this Epic Power gate from West Mountain Radio. It's plugged into a battery. Then we have the solar panels charging it. What we have here is a power pole, Anderson power pole distribution block that's actually fused with switches. And the way that I really like this because we can turn off equipment that we don't need. And what we're going to do is open it this way. You can already see we're losing sunlight. That's okay. We'll still get something. I'm going to open up these little Velcros on the back to allow them to stand. So the solar panel that we have here is a 37.4 volts, 400 watts. The peak power is 400 watts, plus or minus 5%. We have an open circuit voltage of 45.3 volts. We want to size everything at 12 volts that can run. Now, this has to be higher than 12 volts because we need it to be charging. So this should charge up that battery within 2 hours with full sun. Everything can get broken down and can fit back in to this little case, safe and secure. And almost watertight with this gasket. We could put it on a cart to roll it, but it is still manageable. This is Kilo Hotel 6 Mike Lima saying aloha and 73.